What is a cloud server? How is it different from dedicated servers? A very stable solution is to use a dedicated server. However, when you purchase a dedicated server, there are expensive upfront costs. The plus side, though, is that a dedicated server has its own hardware, power, operating system, and software. None of these are shared with other servers, so no one else can use your resources. This means you have a very stable environment. The downside is buying a dedicated server is very expensive, as you have to pay for all of the hardware and software exclusively. Also, you have to be sure of how big your business is going to be in the short term and medium term. Get it wrong, and you will either end up with infrastructure that is unable to cope with demands or that is unnecessarily large. Also, server hardware loses its value quickly, so any capital gains you make on the hardware are soon reduced. And to get that value back, you have to fork out on new hardware, meaning your cash flow is forever stretched by trying to keep up with your latest requirements. The best option is the cloud server. Rather than just one small server servicing just one user, a massive server is split into many virtual servers. Each virtual server has its own resources, operating system, and software. The resources are not shared with other virtual servers. Even better, with a cloud server, you only need to pay for what you need right now. If you find your needs are increasing, it is simple to add extra space, RAM, or CPU processing power. Likewise, if you find that your requirements are no longer as demanding, you can scale back your size to suit, so you never have to pay for resources that you don't need. So basically, cloud websites are great for small businesses, personal websites, and blogs. You have the ability to host multiple domains and many email accounts, with the added benefits of reliability, scalability, and maximum uptime online. If you have any further questions, please let me know by emailing me, or you can generate an estimate for your website below. And thank you for your time.